Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to change the video resolution in Pictory. So get ready to enhance your video's visual appeal. Here's how to change the resolution on Pictory. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Pictory account. Click on My Projects and tap on the project you are looking to enhance. Now, on the storyboard, head over the Format tab located on the left-hand bar. At the top of the options, select your preferred video resolution, off for either 720 pixel or 1080 pixel according to your needs. As easy as that, you have now changed your video resolution. Keep in mind, the higher the resolution, the longer the upload time. Opting for high resolution ensures top-notch quality. So elevate your video's clarity effortlessly and tailor the resolution on Pictory. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.